We're gonna make something super healthy and good for you and save a lot of money today. We love that. But first I have something very exciting. My mom's in town. Mom! Look at it's my mom.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hello.
You taught me about quinoa, which I've never even heard of before. Kind of like millet. And so we're gonna make a quinoa salad today. What is quinoa? Quinoa!
This is an ancient grain from South America. It has more vitamins and nutrition in it than, say, white rice.
So how do you cook quinoa?
Oh, just like rice.
How do you cook rice?
Well, it's on the bag, in case anybody has a question.
Put 2 cups of water in a pot, boil it, add a cup of quinoa, stir it together, turn down the heat, stir it, and let it sit for 30 minutes, right? So I have all these vegetables that I grew in the garden. Exciting! Except, of course, I did not grow the celery or the onions. Everything else I grew in the garden. All we have to do is chop all this up and then cook the quinoa and mix it together. It's super simple. So the quinoa cooked for 30 minutes. You chopped up all this stuff. You just literally just stir it all together, right?
It's just like making a salad. We're going to put a dressing on it. You could put anything in here that interests you.
Quinoa is not wheat, right?
Correct.
I'm just going to mix this together. I use cod liver oil, the lemon flavor, because cod liver oil is gross. But with the lemon flavor, it seems like you like squirted a lemon on there, but really it's cod liver oil. It's like a good trick.
Perfect.
I'm just going to drizzle it. I use flaxseed oil because it's good for your colon.
And we know you need that.
And you have to get organic flaxseed oil and make sure you leave it in the refrigerator. You just drizzle balsamic over here?
Yes.
Any old balsamic vinegar. I'm going to go, what? Oh, squirt.
Yeah, squirt. It's just a taste. We could taste it when you get through and see if you like it.
And then, of course, ever-present, Bragg's. Mama loves Bragg's, too. Squirt.
Well, we're going to let this chill for about an hour. You don't have to, but it will really let the flavors mingle. You want to taste it?
This is strange. That's good. It's yummy. Because it's good to have complete balance in your life, and we've made food that we grew in the garden, and we're eating completely healthy. Guess what I'm doing next week? I'm going to make chocolate gravy biscuits. Because, you know, you need some balance. It's okay to completely splurge every once in a while.
Can we drink beer now?
Stir up trouble. Stir up trouble. Stir up trouble.